Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna be walking you step by step on how you can get paid by just listening to your favorite song. So question people ask is, do you need experience to make money from this that I'm gonna show you? The answer is you don't need any experience. And another question is, can I use my Android phone? Can I use my The answer is yes, you can use your Android phone, your iPhone, your laptop, anyone. So another question there is, how much do I need to make from this website? So the answer there is you can make up to $5, $10, $15, $20, even more than that, depending how you put in work. So let's get it. But before that, my name is Emmanuel. I'm an internet marketer. What I'm doing in this channel is that I verify things online, I check out things online. Anyone that is working for you, I show you guys. So all you have to do for me is just to smash that subscription button, turn on notifications so that anytime I drop a video like this, YouTube will actually give you a notification that I've actually dropped a video. So right here, you can see what the app look like. So I'll be leaving the link in the description. So you can go there. If you click it, it will actually bring you here. So you can see that it's already installed in my phone. So if you come right here, simply install it in your phone. So once you install it, just go to your setting. Just go to your setting right here. Just come down here into system. Just go to this developer option. You have to switch it off, let it be off. You have to switch off this your developer option and go back, come up here and go to this apps. If you go to apps right here, so go to see more. So go down here and you will see current here. So all you need to do is just to come down here, click on this display over other apps and switch it on, and come up here, go to this permission and switch all these things them on. So that is it. So after that, you don't have to open the app. So you can see what the thing look like. So if you can sign up with your Google account, you can sign up with your email. If you click, but I recommend that you should sign up with your email. So if you put your email here and password, you can go to your email post and verify your account. After that, you don't have to select the type of song you would like to listen. Hip hop, any type of song, Christian song, any type of song that you would like to listen. So guys, if you log into your account, you can see what the page look like. The more music you play, the more money you make. So let me just play. So if you just come this side, if you just click on this side, you can watch video. You can watch video if you just click on this side. This side is the cash out. If you want to cash out your earnings. So if you want to make extra money, you can go to this invitation. You can invite your friends to join. You can see invite friend with your link. So get up to 500 points. So that is it. So that's how you will make money by just listening to music.